Hello, I'm Evan with WooNinjas. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is about building a headless LMS site with React plus WordPress in 2026. So, what exactly do we mean by a headless LearnDash site? Content flows into your server, where everything is managed through databases and APIs. This is your backend, powered by WordPress and LearnDash. Then, the API distributes it to multiple front ends. The result? Blazing fast page loads, complete design flexibility, and scaling your LMS like a full-fledged web application. So why are so many LearnDash users going headless in 2026? Because you can connect commerce, personalization, analytics, and AI directly into your LMS from one central system. Through APIs, your content isn't stuck in WordPress anymore. It can power web apps, mobile apps, and any presentation layer you want. So how do you actually get started with a headless LearnDash site? Don't worry, it's much more approachable than it sounds. Here's a clear step-by-step roadmap. First, install and configure LearnDash on your WordPress site, just like you normally would. Set up your courses, lessons, quizzes, and user roles. Think of WordPress as the engine that powers everything behind the scenes. Next, enable and prepare the REST API. The good news? WordPress already includes REST API support by default. This is what allows your front-end application to securely fetch LearnDash data like courses, progress, and quiz results. You'll also need to generate an application password from your WordPress user profile. This allows your front-end to securely communicate with your back-end. Now test your API. Open your browser or a tool like Postman and hit an endpoint like .wp JSON, LDLMS v2 SFWD courses. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see your course data in JSON format. This confirms your backend is ready. After that, it's time to build your front end. Frameworks like Next.js or React are excellent choices here. They're fast, SEO friendly, and perfect for creating app-like learning experiences. This is where you design exactly how your LMS looks and feels without being limited by WordPress themes. Once your front end is ready, connect it to LearnDash using the headless documentation. If you want to see this in action step by step, don't miss our full blog post on connecting LearnDash with a headless setup. The link is given in the description down below. This blog post walks you through how to fetch and display course data, lessons, quizzes, and user information, or user authentication flow using API endpoints. After that, secure your setup. Never hardcode your API credentials. Use environment variables to store your API URL, username, and application password safely. This is critical if you plan to deploy your platform. Test everything carefully, especially login, token handling, and user data from authcontext.jsx. Make sure users can log in, stay logged in, and access their courses properly. Check that API calls in the services folder work smoothly, and optimize loading and errors for better performance. Once it's all working, clean up the code and deploy your modern headless LearnDash front end. This is the final output of your headless LearnDash setup. Your fully functional student-facing learning interface. Students can easily navigate through available courses, open individual lessons, attempt quizzes, and track their progress in real time. Everything is structured in a clean and intuitive way, so learners always know where they are and what to do next. Whether they're starting a new course or continuing from where they left off, the experience stays smooth and consistent across the entire platform. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.